All right, video walkthrough of this beautiful one bed right in the heart of Brighton. We got a couple of windows, good size windows right there. Hardwood floors throughout. Closet right over here. Back out into the foyer. Over into the living room area. More large windows. Good high ceilings. All right. And just turn over here into the bathroom. So we got a tub, sink, vanity, shower, window, toilet. And here we have the kitchen. So it's a simple kitchen, basic. Just enough room to squeeze in maybe a table and a couple of chairs, a window, some cabinets, a little bit of counter space, sink. You have your fridge right here. There's laundry down in the basement, heat and hot water included. And hope you enjoyed our video walkthrough.